Hello all. Today in this video we are going to find out the ground state term symbol. Okay, ground state term symbol. Already I have uploaded two videos in this topic, term symbol, atomic term symbol, and how to find out the molecular term symbol, that is term symbol for diatomic molecules. Okay, so if you haven't watched that video, then kindly watch that video, then only you can understand this concept. So in order to find out the ground state term symbol, there are some rules, basic rules. See, for example, let us take Ni2 plus. Okay, Ni2 plus. How will you write the configuration? It will be like this, right? So what will you do? The term symbol for this will be, you have to add these two. So you'll be getting F and the spin 3d8, right? So the spin will be 3. Okay, this is the term. How I have find out? See, you have to add all these. In this there will be there is 2 electrons, right? So 2 plus 2 it is 4. Here there are 2 electrons, 1 plus 1 it is 2. Plus 0 minus 1 minus 2. Now add these things, you will be getting 3, right? L value is 3. So if L value is 0, then it is S. If L value 1, it is P. If L value 2, it is T. And L value 3 means F. Here we are getting 3, hence the term will be F. Okay, F. Next you have to look for the spin. See the unpaired number of unpaired electrons, it is 2. For 1 unpaired electron, S value will be half. For 2 unpaired electrons, it will be half plus half 1. Okay, S value is 1. What will be the 2S plus 1 value? It will be 3, right? Hence, this is the term. Then how will you find out the term symbol? F3 is the term. If you find out the J value only, it is known as term symbol. So in this, it is more than half filled, right? It is more than half filled. So for more than half filled, you have to take the J value as L plus S, right? L plus S. Generally, how will you find out the J value is L plus S to L minus S. In this case, it is more than half filled. Then you can choose L plus S, the ground state term symbol. See, generally J value L plus S to L minus S. L value is 3, S value is 1. So the possible J values are 3, 2, 1. These are the possible J values. Okay, these are the possible J values. So the term symbols may be like this: 3F, 3, 3F2, 3F1. These are all the possible term symbols for nickel 2 plus configuration. Okay, these are all the possible term symbols for nickel 2 plus configuration. Among these three configuration, which is the ground state term symbol? That is our question. Okay, so these are all the possible term symbols. What will be the ground state term symbol? In order to find out the ground state term symbol, there are some rules. Okay, there are some rules. Ground state term symbol should have higher 2s plus 1 value. Okay, higher 2s plus 1 value. Then it should have higher L value. Okay, higher L value. See in this case, see in this example, 3p, 1p, 2p, right? So among these three, which is having greater 2s plus 1 value? This one, right? Hence this is a ground state term symbol because the term P is same, right? P is same. But you have to look for the spin multiplicity 2s plus 1 value, which is having higher value, it is 3p. Hence this is the ground state term symbol. Okay, so this is how you have to find out. But in the second case, you are having 2s plus 1 value same, right? All these have 3. So now you have to look for the L value. Okay, L value, because I told you that greater L value, that is what is ground state term symbol. Hence in this case, L value will be 1, here L value will be 2 and L value will be 3. So which is greater? Obviously this is greater, hence this is the ground state term symbol. Okay, so if they are asking to find out the ground state term symbol, you have to select the term symbol which is having the higher 2s plus 1 value, and if you are having all the term symbols having same 2s plus 1 value, then you have to look for the L value. Okay, L value. Now you are having 2s plus 1 value is also same, and the term is also same, P. Okay, L value is also same. Now how to find out? You have to look for the J value. Okay, so the next rule is, if the electronic configuration is more than half filled, Okay, more than half filled, then you have to choose L plus S value. Okay, J will be L plus S value. If less than half filled, okay, less than half filled, then you have to choose L minus S is J value. Okay, suppose this is for P2 configuration. Okay, this is for P2 configuration. P2 configuration will be like this, right? It will be like this. So it is less than half filled or more than half filled? It is less than half filled, right? If it is less than half filled, then the J value will be L minus S, right? L minus S. So L value is 1, right? L value is 1. Because plus 1 plus 0, it is 1. So L value is 1. And S value, half plus half, it is 1. Right? So if you subtract these two, you will be getting J value. J is equal to 1 minus 1, 0, right? So in this case, this is the ground state term symbol. Okay, this is how you have to find out the ground state term symbol for any given configuration. That ground state term symbol should have greater 2s plus 1 value and greater L value and J value. If it is more than half filled, then you have to take L plus S, and if it is less than half filled, then you have to choose L minus S. Okay, very simple rules and very simple concept. So let us solve the previous year question. Okay, see, this is the previous year question. The possible J values for 3D term symbol. Okay, D3 term symbol. So the possible J values they are asking. So how to find out the possible J values? J value is from L plus S to L minus S, right? L plus S to L minus S. What's the L value for D? It is 2, right? 2 plus 2S plus 1 value is 3, right? 2S plus 1 will be 3. So 2S is equal to 2, then S is equal to 1, right? So 2 plus 1 to 2 minus 1. So the possible J value will be 3, 2, 1, right? 3, 2, 1. These are all the possible J values. So how many possible J values? It is 3, right? Hence the option is B. If they are asking you to find out the ground state term symbol for Fe2 plus, what will you do? So it is very simple. First of all, 3d6 configuration, right? Fe2 plus means 3d6 configuration. So the electrons will be like this. Okay, what will be the L value? L value is 2, because it is 4 plus 1, 5. 5 minus 3, it is 2. So the L value is 2. And what's the S value here? It is half plus half 1, 1 and a half, and it is 2, right? Because for 1 electron, it is half, and for electron, it is 2. So the S value is 2. Okay. So 2S plus 1 value will be, okay, we no need to calculate those, and I'll see in this case, it is L value is 2. 2S plus 1 value will be 5. The possible J values, L plus S to L minus S, right? So L value is 2, and this is also 2, and 2 minus 2. Okay, 2 minus 2. These are all the possible values. So 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. These are all the possible J values. Okay, these are all the possible J values. So how can you write this? 5D4, 5D3, 5D2, 5D1, and 5D0. Okay, these are all the possible term symbols for Fe2 plus. Okay, but what will be the ground state term symbol? See, ground state term symbol, see, in all these cases you are having same spin multiplicity, okay, and same L value. So no need to bother about those things. You have to find out the J value. Here in this case, it is more than half filled, right? More than half filled. So more than half filled means you have to take the J value as L plus S. Okay, L plus S. So L plus S, L is also 2, S is also 2, so the 4. This is the ground state term symbol. Okay, these are the possible J values. 5 possible J values are okay, but in this case, this is the ground state term symbol. This is how you have to find out when they are giving you some ions, okay, metal ions. First of all, you have to find out the fill the electrons in the orbital, and then you have to find out L and S value. From the L and S value, you can now find out the possible J values, and from the possible J values, you have to look for the electronic configuration. If it is more than half filled, then L plus S will be the J value. So in this case, L plus S is 4, and hence you are choosing this as the ground state term symbol. Okay, so this is how you have to solve this question. See, this question is for you. Nickel 2 plus question is for you guys. You have to solve this question and find out the ground state term symbol and comment your answer in the comment section. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you find this video helpful, then kindly like this video and share with your friends. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching.